Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baloch Scholar. So today I am starting the question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Okay, question number 3 is find the value of x from the following statement. Find the value of x from the following statement. So in question number 2, I was supposed to find out the logarithm of the number. So how I found out the logarithm? By finding out its characteristics and mantissa. Here this is already in logarithmic form. As you know, it is in both form. Mantissa is there, also characteristic is also there. So here I am supposed to find out the value of x. Okay, for finding out the value of x, so I need to cut this log. So for cutting this log, I need to bring its opposite. So its opposite is anti-log, that is anti-log. Okay, anti-logarithm. So today in this question we will deal with anti-logarithm table. In process step, I will separate its characteristic. The solution is characteristic, which stand for characteristic. So my characteristic is 0 and mantissa is 0.3642. This is my mantissa. So I need to find out the value of x. For finding out the value of x, so I will cut this log by bringing anti-log, means opposite of log. Anti-log, multiply log x. So I will cut this log with this anti-log. So what will remain? So only anti-log 0.3642. So my value is given. This is my value. So log is finished. Just anti-log is there. So now with that I am supposed to find out the value of x. Okay. So this is my value 0.3642. For finding out the anti-log, I need to depend upon the mantissa. I will not touch the characteristic, so I will go through the mantissa. Okay, so mantissa of 0.3642. 0.3642. Suppose this is the table of anti-logarithm that starts from 0 column to 9th column, and mean difference start from 1 to 9. So here the digits start from 0001, means 2 digits are there. Okay, 0.00, 0.01, they are in point. So here, so I will take these both digit 36 and I will find it in 4th column. So let's find 0.36 and 4th column. Okay, so I need to find 0.36 in 4th columns. So see here, this is the 0.36. So I will find it in 4th column, and this is my 4th column. This is the first, second, third. You can say this is the 4th column. This is the 4th column. 4th column is, what is the value in 4th column? 2312. Okay, 2312. So I will write anti-log of 0.3642 is equal to 2312. So we have another number, that is 2. So now I will find out the 0.36 and in column of mean difference column. Okay, 2. See, so this is the mean difference column, starting from 1 to 9. So I will find out the 0.36 and mean difference column. So this is the 0.36 and I will find it in second column, that is 1. It is 1. So plus 1 is equal to 2313. So value of x and t log 0.3642 x is equal to, this will be, so value is 2313. So now I am supposed to put the decimal point. So for putting the decimal point I need to see the characteristic. See, it is my characteristic, so it is put after the decimal point is put after the characteristic. So I will make it 2.313. so value of x is 2.313. Okay, now come to another question, that is log x 1.99654. So this is another question. So I'm supposed to find the value of x. I already told you, if you want to find the value of x, so you are supposed to cancel this log. And for cancelling this log, you are supposed to bring anti-log, mean opposite of log. So for cancelling it, first of all, I will separate the characteristic and mantissa. As you know, it is in logarithmic form. So this is my characteristic and it is my mantissa. Characteristic is, say 1, and mantissa is 0.9654. So now anti-log multiply log x is equal to anti-log. So I will cancel log with anti-log. So what will remain? Just anti-log 1.9654. So I will find out the value of x by anti-log. Okay, so I cancelled log. Okay, now I will find the value of 1.9654, can say anti-log. So I already told you, for finding out the, can say, anti-log, so anti-log of a number, so you will ignore its mantissa and go through its, and you will ignore its characteristic and you will depend upon the mantissa only. Okay, so let's come towards the, can say, this one, anti-log. So you will take this 90.96 in fifth column. So this is the column starting from 50, and this is the fifth column, and I will find the 0.96. This is my 0.96. I will find it in fifth column. So in fifth column, its value is 9226. Value is 9226, and a number is remaining, that is 4. Means this is for mean difference column. So now I will find 0.96 and 4 mean difference column. This is my mean difference column. Fourth column is there, so I will find it out. So 0.96 and fourth column is 8. Okay, equal to 8. So I will write plus 8 is equal to 9234. 9234. Okay, I added them. So now I can easily find out the value of x. X is equal to anti-log 1.9654. So value of x is 9234. So this x is equal to 9234 is not the complete, you can say, value of anti-log 1.9654. So I am supposed to put the decimal point in it. Okay, for finding out the decimal point, I already told you are supposed to see the characteristic. What is the characteristic? So for putting the decimal point, you are supposed to apply this formula, characteristic plus 1. Mean whatever is your characteristic, you will add it with 1. Okay. Suppose your characteristic is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So you will put the point after 2. You can say number digits. 92.34. So this is my answer. So I put the decimal point after, can say, 2 digits. Because I already told you, for you can say putting decimal in entire log, you are supposed to add the characteristic with 1 and say this is my characteristic, 1 is there, so I will add it with 1. So 2, after 2 digits I will put my decimal point. Okay, come to another question, that is log x is equal to 2.5426. So for finding out the value of x, I need to cancel this log. So how will I cancel it? So first of all, I will separate the, can say, characteristic and mantissa of, can say, this, you can say, logarithm, okay, or this value. So my characteristic is ch2 and my mantissa is 0.5426. So this is my mantissa, 0.5426. And for cancelling the log, first I'm supposed to, can say, bring anti-log, opposite of log, anti-log multiply log x. So I will cancel log with anti-log. So for finding out the value of x, so I will bring anti-log 2.5426. So this is the value I'm supposed to find out its, can say, anti-log. So I already told you, for finding out the anti-log, I will ignore the mantissa and go through to, I will ignore the characteristic. I will go through the mantissa. Sorry for that. So I will go through the mantissa. This is my mantissa, 0.5426, because my logarithm values are at point, okay, 0.5426. Okay, this is my value. So I will find out 0.54 in second table, second row, you can say second column. So this is my second column and this is 0.54 in second column. The value is 3483. So I will write 3483 plus what is remaining, 6 is remaining. So I will find out 0.54 in sixth column, you can say column of mean difference. So this is sixth column of mean difference. So what is the, you can say, 5. So 5 is the digit. So I will add 5 with it. 3 equal to 3488. So now I will see x is equal to anti-log of 2.5426 is, what is it that? What is that? X is equal to 348.8. This is, can say, 3488. 3488. Okay. So now I am supposed to put the decimal point. For putting the decimal point, I need to go through the characteristic. This is my characteristic. So I already told you the formula, characteristic plus 1. When 2 plus 1, that 2 plus 1, that is 3. So I will put the, you can say, decimal point after 3 numbers. 348.8. So okay, I put the, you can say, decimal point after 3 digits. Okay. So this is the value of x. Okay. So come to another question, that is log x is equal to 3.1942. So I need to find the value of x. So how will I find it? By cancelling log, okay, and converting into anti-log, opposite of log. So first of all, I will see the characteristic and mantissa. So my characteristic is 3 and my mantissa is equal to 0.1942. So anti-log multiply log x they will be cancelled. For finding out the value of x, so x is equal to anti-log. What is the anti-log? Okay, I am supposed to find the anti-log of 3.1942. Okay, so for finding out the anti-log, I am supposed to ignore the characteristics. So I will go through the, can say, mantissa. So I am supposed to find the mantissa of 19, can say 0.1942. So first of all, I will take these both digits 19 and fourth column. So I will take 19 and fourth column. So this is 19 and fourth column. So what is my value? In fourth column it is 1563. It is 1563. So I will write 1563. So one number is remaining, that is 2. So I am supposed to find out 0.19 and second column of mean difference, that is, see here the second column of mean difference. So the 19 will be 1 equals to 1, that will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 1564. So x is equal to anti-log or anti-log is equal to anti-log of 3.1942 is 1564. What's the value of x is 1564. For converting it into decimal, so I am supposed to see the characteristic. What is the characteristic? 3 is there. So the formula is characteristic plus 1 for putting the decimal. So characteristic is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So I am supposed to put the decimal point after 4 digits, okay, 4 numbers. X is equal to 1564 for their point. I will put the point here. So after the point 0 is there. So this is, I put the decimal after, can say 4 digits. So this is my answer. So I put the decimal after 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 0.0. Okay, come to another question, that is log x is equal to minus 1.2314. So I'm supposed to find the value of x. You can say for that I will cut this log and bring anti-log. So first of all, I will separate the characteristic and mantissa. So my characteristic is minus 1. You can say minus 1, and my mantissa is 0.2314. For cutting the log, I will bring anti-log, multiply log x. So I will cancel log with anti-log. We can say log with log or log with anti-log. So anti-log and log are cancelling each other because they are opposite. So what will remain? X is equal to anti-log is equal to minus 1.2314. So I am supposed to find the anti-log of, can say, this mantissa. So I will ignore the characteristic. For finding out the anti-log, I am supposed to consider this mantissa, that is 0.2314. 0.2314. So I will see 0.23 and first table, can say first column of table, 0.23 is, and first table, that is 0.23 is this one, and first table that will be 1702, that is 1702, 1702. Now what is remaining? 4. So I will find out, can say, value of 0.23 and fourth column of mean difference, that is fourth column of mean difference. I will find out 0.23 in fourth column of mean difference, that is 2, that is 2 plus 2 equals to 1704, 1704. So x is equal to anti-log minus 1.2314. So Value of x is 1704. So see here, now I am supposed to add the decimal point. So for that I am supposed to see the characteristic. So my characteristic is n minus. So I will can say this, add this minus 1 with plus 1. As I told you, the formula of characteristic is characteristic plus 1. So my characteristic is minus 1 plus it with 1. So this will be minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So my can say characteristic is answer is 0. So I will not can say bring the can say decimal point after one number or two number. If it was plus 1, so 1 plus 1 would be 2. So I would have brought this decimal point after two digits. So I will make this one 0.1704 euro point. You can say you can say bring the point before the numbers, okay, because the answer is 0. X is equal to 0.1704, okay. Okay, come to another question. Question number 6. Log x is equal to minus 2.2125. Okay. So first of all, what is the first step? I will separate the characteristic equal to 2 minus 2. So my mantissa is 0.2125. So for finding out the value of x, I need to cancel log. For cancelling log, I will bring its opposite, that is anti-log multiply log x. So this log will be cancelled with anti-log with its opposite. So what will remain? X is remaining. So x is equal to anti-log minus 2.2125. So this is my value. I need to find the anti-log of this value. Remember, for finding out the anti-log, so I need to depend upon go through the mantissa. So I will not touch the characteristic. So let's go through the mantissa. So I will take these two digits 2 and 1, 21. So I will find 21 in second column. Suppose this is my table of, can say table for anti-logarithm. So this is 21 and this is second column. So what is the value of 21 and second column? That is 1629. So I will write 1629. So what is remaining? 5 is remaining. So this means 5 is my mean difference. So I will find 21 in fifth column of mean difference. So I will find it. So this is my 21 and I will find it fifth column of mean difference. This is the fifth column. So I will find it. So what will be there? That will be 2 plus 2 is equal to 1631. So x is equal to anti-log of minus 2.2125 is, so my x is equal to 1631. So it is not complete. So this value is not complete. So I will complete it by putting decimal point. Okay. What is the rule of decimal point? The rule is characteristic plus 1. So what is my characteristic? 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. That is minus 1. So see here, x is equal to, for bringing the decimal point, if it was plus 1, so I would have put the decimal after one number. So here I would have put the decimal. But here it is minus 1. Okay. So I'll write it 1631. So if it was 0, only 0, so my decimal point was, before one number, before this digit. So I will write it likewise. 0.0 means 0.01. So likewise it will be written. Okay. Okay, now come to question number 7, that is log x is equal to 0.0034. So what is the process step? So process step is separating the characteristic and mantissa. So my characteristic is 0 and my mantissa is 0.0034. Mantissa is 0.0034. So after for cancelling the means finding the value of x, I need to cancel this log. For that I will bring anti-log, multiply log x. So this log will be cancelled with anti-log. What will remain? X is equal to 0.0034. So for finding the anti-log, so sorry, this will be anti-log 0.0034. So for finding out the anti-log, I will ignore this characteristic. I will go through the mantissa. So I need to find 0, 0 in third column. Okay, in third column. See here, this is 0, 0. This is value is 0, 0. I will find it in third column. In third column, the value is 1007. So one number is remaining, that is 4. So I need to find out 0, 0 in fourth column of mean difference. So I will find it. It is 0, 0. I will find it in fourth column of mean difference, that is 1 plus 1. That will be 1008. So 1008. It is my answer, but its value is incomplete. So I write x is equal to anti-log 0.0034. X is equal to 1008, but this value is incomplete. I need to put the decimal point. For writing the decimal point, what is the formula? Characteristic plus 1. Characteristic plus 1. So what is my characteristic? That is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So mean I will put the point after one number, one digit. 1.008. So it is my answer. Okay, come to another question, number 8. Log x is equal to minus 2.3214. Okay, minus 2.3214. So for can say for finding the value of x, I need to remove log, okay, and bring anti-log. First of all, what is the process step? So as you know, it is in logarithmic form. So it contains two, can say, terms. One is characteristic, one is mantissa. So my characteristic is minus 2 and my mantissa is 0.3214. So anti-log, for finishing the log, I will bring anti-log, multiply log x. So this log will be cancelled with anti-log. What will remain? X. Anti-log minus 2.3214. So for finding out the anti-log, I will ignore this, can say, characteristic and go through the mantissa. My mantissa is 0.3214. So I will find out 0.32 in first column. 0.32 in first column. See here, this is my table. So this is my table. So I will find 0.32. Suppose this is 0.32 in first column. So my value is 2094. 2094. This is my value. What is remaining? 4 is remaining. So I will find out 32 and fourth column of mean difference. This is the fourth column of mean difference. I will find out. So this is 32. So I will find it out. I will go through it. I will go through it. Here the number is 2. Okay. So this is 0.32. I will find it in fourth column. So in fourth column, the value is 2. Okay, first column, second, third, fourth, so its value is 2. So I write plus 2. So my answer will be 2096. Okay, so this value is incomplete, so I will write x is equal to antilog of minus 2.3214 is x is equal to 2096. So this value is incomplete. I will can say bring the decimal point, then the value will be complete. For decimal point, the formula is characteristic plus 1. So what is my characteristic? Minus 2 is my characteristic, plus 1, this will be minus 1. So minus 1 is there, so this means the decimal point will come before one number. Okay, suppose 0.02096. Okay, this is 1. This is the answer. This is the value of x. Okay, come to another question, 9th question, that is log x is equal to 3.1424. So this is, first of all I need to find out the characteristic, that is 3, and my mantissa is 0.1424. Okay, first of all I will cancel the log and bring antilog. For that, for cancelling the log, I need to bring its opposite. Antilog multiply log x, this will be cancelled. So what is remaining? X is equal to antilog is equal to 0.1424. This is remaining 0.1424. You can say antilog of 3.1424. So for finding the antilog, I will consider the mantissa only. I will ignore the characteristic. So I will take these both digits 0.14 in second column. I will find out 0.14 in second column. So see here, this is 0.14. This is 0.14 in second column. What is the value of 0.14 in second column? That is 1387. 1387. So now I am supposed to find out, say 1.14 in fourth column of mean difference, and fourth column of mean difference, that is 0.14. That is 1. Okay, 0.14 and the fourth column of mean difference is 1. So I will write plus 1. So I will add plus 1 with it. This will be 1388. So this value is incomplete. So I will write x is equal to antilog, that is antilog 3.1424. So value of x is 1388. So x is equal to 1388. So this is value is incomplete. So I will bring x is equal to, can say I will bring it in decimal form. So for decimal form, characteristic formula is characteristic plus 1. What is my characteristic? 3 is there. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So I will bring the decimal point after 4 digits, 1388.0. So this is my decimal. It is in decimal form. So value of x is 1388.0. Okay.